This beautiful historic monument is dedicated to the French Imperial Legion d'Honneur. The Imperial Legion d'Honneur was introduced by Napoleon Bonaparte when he became the new French Empire's first ruler. Construction started in 1804 to commemorate the first awarding of the Imperial Legion of Honor at the Camp de Boulogne.
I won't leave you behind.
The French architect Etienne Eloy-Labarre built this incredible monument. The design was known as a Corinthian victory column, originating from Greek and Roman architecture. The French Imperial Legion d'Honneur is the highest decoration the country can award an individual. Made from marble, the victory column stands 53 meters high, topped with a 4-meter tall statue of the Emperor Napoleon. Visitors to the historic monument can enjoy the beautiful memorial gardens, or even take in the views from the top of the column by walking up the 265 steps on the inside. The monument is located on the outskirts of Boulogne, in northern France.
Slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.